It's funny. Orders of operations. Yay! Click the subscribe button.
Cool. Welcome back. How are you feeling today?
Cool.
Are you ready for orders of operations?
Yay!
Let's get started. Before we get into orders of operations, I want to write down the word PEMDAS. Some say, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." I'm sure many of you have heard this before, but not many write it correctly. I'll show you. I write it as parentheses, exponents. With multiplication and division, I place them next to each other. Because when you have a problem with multiplication and division, you work from left to right. And same rules apply for addition and subtraction. Whatever comes first, from left to right. Now that we got that out the way, I want to start with an expression. 12 minus, in parentheses, 16 divided by 8 plus 5 squared, or 5 to the second power. So let's look at this problem. We have minus, we have parentheses, we have division, we have addition, and we have exponents. What do we do first?
Parentheses.
Parentheses, good. What's 16 divided by 8?
2.
That's right. Now, what do you think the next step is? Not sure, huh? What I do, just to be organized, is bring everything down. That means the 12, the minus, the plus, and the 5 squared. Now what do we do next? Well, are there any parentheses?
Nope.
Do you see any exponents?
Yep.
Cool. So what is 5 squared?
25.
Yep. And what's the next step?
Bring everything down.
You're listening. So we have 12 minus 2 plus 25. Now remember, we have subtraction and addition. What do we do first?
We work from left to right.
Exactly. So 12 minus 2,
10.
bring everything down, plus 25.
That's 35.
That's right. So our final answer is 35. See, orders of operations isn't that bad. Let's try one more. 15 minus 3 squared times 4. What do we do first?
Exponents.
Yes, so 3 squared is
9.
9. What do we do next?
Bring everything down.
Yes, so 15 minus 9 times 4. What do we do?
Multiplication.
Yes, 9 times 4. Multiplication comes before subtraction. And what's 9 times 4?
36.
Yes, next step. 15 minus 36 is...
That's negative.
How did you know?
You're taking away a larger number.
Yep, so the answer is negative 21. Awesome job. So a quick recap would be, when you have orders of operations, use PEMDAS. P for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. And don't forget, when you have multiplication and division, you work from left to right. Same rules apply for addition and subtraction. You work from left to right. Thanks for joining.
Bye. Don't forget to level up.